Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so Yes has yet put another teaser out for their June box. Now we'll go over the ones that we know about first, and then I'll tell you what the teaser said at the end. Now first, you know there will be 4 different variation palettes in this month's box, so you will get one out of these 4. Now they are the More Cosmetics Dream Series 18 pan palettes. One is Dreamscape, one is Daydreams, one is Wanderlust, one is Stargazing. You will get one of those 4 in your box. Next thing that we have on the list is Kaylin Line Fix Gel Liner. And then we have a Dirty Little Secrets. Now again, this picture showing 3 different shades. I don't know if there's going to be variations or exactly what with that. And then the next thing is the Appeal Cosmetics Duo Action Liner Gel. Now these are for lips or eyes, so I think that's really cool, which I always do that anyways. And then, of course, yesterday they put a teaser out stating that there will be more brushes. I don't know if it's going to be a brush set, if it's going to be just one brush, not exactly sure. But of course, you know, I will keep you guys updated always. Now, the last teaser, and this was put up today on their Instagram, it shows that there's going to be 6 items in the June box. So we already know of 4 of them, and we got one teaser, which is the brushes. So we got actually 2 more to be revealed. I don't know if they'll reveal those or they'll go out in the boxes. So as soon as they say anything else, I will keep you guys updated. And I also have a code. If you have not tried Yes and you want to check them out, there is a link below, and my code is SelfTaughBeauty, and that's in all caps. That'll get you 10% off of your first box if you do want to give Yes a go. Go for it, guys. And as always, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any of these spoilers. Also, if you would, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.